Hey guys, welcome back. And today I want to teach you guys how to transfer over your YouTube channel to a brand account. And the perks of doing this is that it allows you to transfer over your subscribers, your views, and your uploaded videos onto a new channel. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go down to your channel icon and you're going to click on settings. Once in settings, you should see advanced settings. Click on it. And it should say down here, move channel. It's going to say move channel to your Google account or to a different brand account. Click on that. And basically it's going to prompt you to input your Google password. So do that now. And then once you do that, you should be greeted in this page right here. Keep in mind that you need to have created a YouTube channel before doing this. So this could be like a brand account in your same Google account. So you can't have, let's say, one Google account and another Google account, transfer over your channel to that account. You can't do that. It would have to be one Google account with two YouTube channels. So basically, once you create that, a brand account or your other channel, it should appear down here. And basically on the top should be the channel that you want to transfer to. So this would include all your subscribers, your videos, your views, etc. And basically you're going to click on your the channel that you want everything to be transferred to. It should say if you move your channel to account XYZ, the currently connected channel will be deleted. Click on delete channel and then click on move channel. So in my case, I've already transferred my channel, so there's no warning sign here. But to those of you that are doing this for the first time, or you're transferring your personal account to a brand account, it should say that all your information will be deleted, etc. So basically what this means is that the information from the account that you're trying to transfer everything to, all your videos, etc. will be deleted. And all the uploaded videos that you want to upload to the new channel will be uploaded instead. So you're going to click on move channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that it's going to take about 10 minutes for all the changes to process. So good luck with your YouTubing, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.